Gas rice steamer installation and user guide. The upper rear of the unit is the steam outlet. The lower part is the water inlet. First, check if the drain valve at the bottom is closed. Connect one end of the water hose to a 4-point external thread faucet. Connect the other end to the water inlet on the back of the unit. Note that the water inlet and inlet valve are integrated. After tightening the hose, make sure the inlet valve faces straight down. If the float ball sticks to the wall, turn the inlet valve to face straight down. Do not let it rest against the unit edge and block water intake. 2 models available, LPG and natural gas. Gas types are not interchangeable. For LPG models, only 0.6 rated low-pressure valves are allowed. Other valve models are prohibited. The gas port is located inside, right below the igniter. Fix the gas pipe onto the gas inlet properly. For natural gas models, the natural gas pipeline pressure must be above 2,200 pascals. The ignition knob is located inside the unit. Stainless steel corrugated gas hose is recommended. Do not turn the ignition knob quickly when lighting. It may cause ignition failure. The correct way, press the knob for 2 seconds, then turn to ignite. This ensures successful ignition. During operation, the rear chimney and bottom of the unit get hot. No circuits, pipelines, or flammable materials are allowed behind or under the unit. Leave a safety distance of about 30 centimeters at the rear. Note that normal steam discharge from the rear vent is a normal phenomenon. Do not block the vent. Open the door from one side during operation or after steaming to avoid scalds from hot steam and water. Below are precautions for gas model operation.